I purchased this sewing fringe trim and wanted to show you how I used it and how it looked. I purchased the color Off-White and the size was the 3.9-inch drop. The length of the entire piece was 5 yards and I ended up needing 2 separate orders of 5 yards each in order to complete this particular project. You can see that I had a scalloped umbrella that was really cute but just kind of plain. And so taking a little bit of fabric glue, adding it along the sides of the scallops of the umbrella, and putting the fringe along the outside really changed the way it looked. I love the way it drops and it flows in the breeze. I love the border detail that it has at the top of the fringe because it gives it a nice finished look and I didn't have to worry about doing anything else. I hope that you like it and that you have fun making something of your own. I love this fringe and would definitely buy it again.